What's up, guys? I know I haven't done a video in a while. I just wanted to give you a rundown of my autocross toge build Miata real quick, go over some of the parts I got on it, and then we'll do a little canyon run. Start with the exterior here, sitting on a brand new set of Bridgestone RE11As. These tires just came out a few months ago. I haven't had a chance to push them too hard yet, so I can't review them fully. I'll have a much better idea once I get them out on the autocross track. Running 205 50R15s on a set of previously white Rotogrid Vs in 15x8. They're extremely brake dusty right now because I've been trying to test out these new Carbotech AX6 autocross pads. They work very well, minimal squeaking, quite a bit of dust when you start pushing them, but I think that kind of comes with the territory. There's the full view. Got the stylish hardtop in place. Interior, nothing too exciting going on. NRG quick release, grip royal, deep dish steering wheel, Redline Goods, hella JDM black and red replacement shift boot. Super good quality products. If you guys are looking for boots, definitely recommend those guys. Part Shop Max bucket seat, comfortable but a very snug fit. I'd say not the most daily driver friendly bucket seat. Floor mounted with the Procar Innovations one-piece mount, no sliders or anything, just mounted as low as it can go. Innovate Motorsports water temp gauge, simple, it works. Hard dog, hardcore, hard top, X-brace roll bar. There's a shot of the Powertrix coilovers in the rear. Easily accessible for when you want to change your damping, 15-way adjustable. Sitting on Swift springs, Powertrix anti-sway bar end links hooked up to the stock anti-sway bar. The front I'm running anti-sway bar from an NB. Little shot of the coil in there. End links in the front as well. Under the hood, just got a massive Mishimoto radiator in there. Try to keep the temps down. Racing beat intake. Set of Riceland headers. No complaints on those yet. Have the M-tuned coolant reroute. And Willwood proportioning valve to get the brake bias all tuned up. That's about everything about the car. I'm out here in the back roads of East County, San Diego, getting ready to do a little run. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll see you next time.